Welcome back, everyone. As always, we're checking out some really interesting tools you can find over at the AI Agents store.
Mm-hmm.
And today, we're looking at one that's definitely catching eyes in the dev world, the Harness AI Code Agent.
Ah, yes, that one.
So its main job, really, is to be this smart code assistant right inside your coding environment. You know, your IDEs like VS Code or JetBrains.
Right, lives where you work.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And it doesn't just, like, spit out code. It helps explain it, test it, even adds comments.
Mm-hmm.
And it understands the context of what you're actually doing.
Yeah, and I think our goal here is to really get into what that means practically. Like, what's the actual value if you're, someone deep in software development?
Okay.
Because it's designed pretty carefully to augment what developers do, not just replace them. Take some of the tedious stuff off their plate.
Right. Augmentation, not replacement. So it sounds powerful, but who exactly is it built for? Who gets the most bang for their buck here?
Well, that's a good place to start. I mean, software developers are the obvious answer, yeah. But it's actually broader. The sources point to DevOps engineers, QA engineers, tech leads, even SREs, the site reliability engineers.
Oh, interesting. So pretty much the whole team involved in getting software out the door.
Exactly. Its features really touch on different parts of that whole delivery pipeline.
Okay, so it covers a lot of roles, but what can it actually do? Like, what are the specific tasks it handles?
Okay, yeah. This is where it gets quite cool. The uses are really varied. For starters, it speeds up writing code. Think inline completions, but also generating code from just plain English descriptions.
Like a co-pilot, basically.
Sure, yeah, an expert co-pilot.
Huh?
And it automates generating unit tests, super important for catching bugs early.
Definitely.
And comments to make sure code stays readable. It can even generate Terraform scripts.
Oh, wow. Infrastructure as code generation.
Mm-hmm. Helping build out cloud environments with code. Plus, it can refactor existing code, explain complex bits through a chat interface that understands your code.
Okay, that contextual chat sounds useful. And searching code, too.
Semantic searching, yeah, across different repositories.
Yeah.
And it even helps with pull requests, generating summaries, suggesting changes right there in the IDE.
Wow, okay.
Yeah.
That's a lot more than just autocomplete. It sounds like it's doing some heavy lifting, optimizing, even troubleshooting.
It is. It shows quite a bit of autonomy there, generating bigger chunks of code, improving what's there, helping figure out errors.
Which naturally brings up the control question, right? Developers hear AI generating code and worry about errors or, the AI just taking over. How does Harness handle that?
That's like the critical point, isn't it? And they seem to have thought about it. While it is autonomous in many ways,
Yeah?
it always keeps the human involved. It won't do anything unless you kick it off either by typing a prompt or like right-clicking something.
Okay, so user initiation is key.
Absolutely. And this is vital. No code gets implemented without human approval. You see the suggestions, you review them, you decide. The developer is still the gatekeeper.
Got it. So the developer stays firmly in the driver's seat.
Exactly.
So bring it back to our listeners. Maybe you're a developer, maybe you're leading a tech team. Why should you pay attention to this specific agent? What's the real-world advantage?
Well, I think the key insight is how it helps big companies, the ones with huge, complex code bases. Top banks, major tech firms are apparently using this.
Oh, really? For what exactly?
To ship code faster, but also more reliably. Because this kind of AI, the kind that works with the developer, helps prevent costly mistakes. It accelerates innovation because they're spending less time fixing bugs.
Makes sense. Less firefighting, more building.
Precisely. And another thing they mention is that the platform is modular. So companies just buy the bits they actually need. No paying for extras, no surprise overage bills. Seems pretty efficient.
Okay, so summing it up, Harness AI Code Agent is like a super-powered assistant. It streamlines how you code, boosts productivity, but crucially keeps that human oversight intact.
Yeah, it empowers developers, letting them focus on the harder, more creative problems.
Nicely put.
And maybe that's the final thought to leave people with, The real power here isn't just machines taking over tasks. It's about AI helping us, augmenting our skills, so we can tackle the really complex stuff that only humans can.
Couldn't agree more. Well, you can explore more tools like this one over at AIAgentStore.ai.
Definitely worth a look.
And hey, thanks for tuning in. If you found this useful, please take a second to rate this segment. It really does help us out.